Does your Moen faucet handle feel loose or wobble every time you use it? In this video, I'll show you how to fix a loose Moen faucet handle, tighten the parts that have worked loose over time, and restore a solid, secure feel. Welcome to Kitchen Faucet. Some faucet designs may vary slightly, but the overall process is very similar. Let's get started. Step 1. Prep. Before getting started, identify which issue you're dealing with. Some Moen faucets develop a loose handle that wiggles during use. In other cases, the handle may be tight while the faucet assembly underneath still has movement. For this repair, you'll only need an Allen key. You won't need to shut off the water supply, and you won't need to do anything underneath the sink for this procedure. Step 2. Remove. Start with the loose handle issue. Locate the small hole on the back of the handle and insert the Allen key farther than you might expect until it reaches the set screw inside. Tighten the screw firmly and check the handle. If the handle is still loose, the movement may be coming from another component inside the faucet. To access it, loosen the set screw by about 1 full turn and then another quarter turn. Once loosened, slide the handle off the faucet. With the handle removed, you'll see the stem that connects to the cartridge. If you move the black piece around the stem, you may notice some movement. Next, remove the collar by turning it counterclockwise by hand. Avoid using tools on this piece because it's plastic and can easily be damaged or scratched. After removing the collar, you'll be able to see the brass fitting inside that's contributing to the looseness. Step 3. Adjust and test. Look behind the front brass ring and locate the retaining ring farther back in the assembly. Like the front ring, it has small notches around it. Using the Allen key, locate one of those notches and begin turning the rear ring clockwise. Tighten it as far as it will go, then check the assembly for movement. If there's still some looseness, gently wiggle the assembly while continuing to turn the retaining ring clockwise. Keep tightening until the movement is eliminated and everything feels secure. Once the assembly is tight, reinstall the collar. Be careful not to touch the stem more than necessary since it has grease on it. Slide the handle back onto the stem and tighten the set screw firmly with the Allen key. Now test the handle. Move it back and forth and check for any remaining movement, clicking, or play. If everything feels solid and secure, the repair is complete. And that's how to fix both a loose Moen faucet handle and a loose internal faucet assembly using a single Allen key. Thanks for watching Kitchen Faucet. If this video helped you, consider liking the video and subscribing for more faucet repair tutorials. See you in the next one.